Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Commonly Made Mistakes in P6 Word Problems. We're going to do a question about percentage today. If you'd like to try this question, remember to pause the video now. Let's take a look at the student solution first. From Paul earned 20% more than Richard, this student used 120% to represent Paul and 100% to represent Richard. From Steve earned 40% less than Paul, this student used 120 minus 40 equals 80% to represent Steve, and then worked out the common ratio and carried out the rest of the calculations. It all seemed very correct, but this student made a common mistake in percentage word problems, which is failed to identify the correct 100%. Let's compare it to the suggested solution. Since Paul earned 20% more money than Richard, we let Richard be 100%, hence Paul is 120%. Steve earned 40% less money than Paul. We let Paul be 100%, and Steve is 60%. Next, we use the repeated identity Paul to find the common ratio, and this is a simple trick to make the three share the same proportions. After making Paul into 30 units, we know Steve is 18 units and Richard is 25 units. If Steve earned an extra money of $384, he would be twice as much as Richard, hence 50 units. Difference between 50 units and 18 units is $384, hence a unit is 384 divided by 32 gives us a $12. Therefore, the total amount of money earned by the three men is 18 plus 30 plus 25, which is 73 units. And 73 units equals $876. And this is the answer to this question. I believe you have found the mistake in the student's solution. Yes. Steve earned 40% less than Paul only implies that when Paul is 100%, Steve is 60%. To avoid this mistake, we need to identify the 100% correctly for each sentence. And the trick is that the person or item comes after the word then is always 100%. To practice who is 100% concept, we prepared one more question for you to try. The answer to this question is 24 stickers. If you like our videos or have any questions, leave your comments down below. See you next time.